In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Charles Schwab account. This is a quick but important habit that helps protect your financial information, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. I'll walk you through the desktop website method first, then touch on a quicker alternative, and share a few simple tips so you know everything worked as expected. Start on the Charles Schwab website and make sure you're currently logged in. You should see your account pages and balances. Now, move your eyes to the very top right corner of the page. That's where Schwab places the account controls. Look for your profile name or a small profile icon, which might appear as your initials inside a circle. Go ahead and click that area to open the account menu. In the drop-down that appears, look for the option labeled Logout or Sign Out. Schwab may use either phrase, but they do the same thing. Click that option. The site will immediately end your session and return you to the login screen. That login page is your confirmation that the sign out worked. If for any reason a page still looks active, try refreshing your browser. You should be prompted to log in again. If you had other Schwab tabs open, they'll also require a fresh login once you reload them. There's also a faster alternative method. You can simply close your browser window or the app you're using. Additionally, Schwab may automatically log you out after a period of inactivity for your safety. While these options can work, they're not the most reliable way to finish a session. For stronger security, especially on a shared, work, or public device, always choose the manual logout or sign out button. That ensures your session ends immediately and clearly, leaving no room for confusion. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the profile area in the top right corner, make your browser window a bit wider or scroll up to the very top of the page. If you still can't find it, look for a small menu icon near the top right. Opening that may reveal the log out or sign out option. And if your browser prompts you to save your login details on a shared computer, it's best to decline and always end your session manually. That's it. You've learned the safest and most consistent way to sign out of your Charles Schwab account. Thanks for watching, and remember, a proper sign out is a simple step that keeps your information secure.